Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
I have a payroll check here I'd like to cash.
Certainly.
Thank you. Excuse me. I'm sure you hear this all the time, but you have the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen.
Yeah, I do get that all the time. How would you like it?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We won't have any cash until the bank's open in an hour. But, I'm sure they can cash your check at the airport.
The airport? Who cashes checks at the airport?
Well, the airline, sir. They've always taken care of their own.
Hello.
Hi. Are you deadheading?
What?
Are you my deadhead to Miami?
Yes. Yeah, I'm the deadhead. Here you go.
You're a little late, but the jump seat is open.
You know, it's been a while since I've done this. Which one's the jump seat again?
Have a nice flight.
Are you my deadhead? Frank, Captain Oliver, John Larkin, the co-pilot, Fred Tully, flight engineer.
Frank Taylor, Pan Am. Thanks for giving me a lift, boys.
Go ahead and take a seat, Frank. We're about to push. What kind of equipment you on? DC-8?
707.
You turning around on the red eye?
I'm jumping puddles for the next few months, trying to earn my keep running leapfrogs for the weak and weary.
No shame in that. We all did it.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like a drink after takeoff?
Milk?
80 knots. Check. V1, rotate. V2, positive rate. Gear up.
Dear Dad, today was graduation. I am now a co-pilot earning $1,400 a month plus benefits. And the best part is, they tell me my family can fly for free. So tell Mom to pack her bags and buy a new swimsuit because I'm taking us all to Hawaii for Christmas. I love you, Dad. Aloha, Frank.
Hello, deadhead.
Hello.
Enjoying your free ride?
Marcy, did you drop this? Must have slipped right off your neck.
No.
那个其他人说，他说你是 deadhead 吗？免费乘客去迈阿密吗？然后他进了飞机，然后那个人介绍说这个是 Captain 奥利弗，也就是机长的意思。然后机长问他你是在 turn around on the red eye 吗？turn around 就是往返的意思，然后 red eye 就是熬夜嘛，所以是倒夜班的意思。然后 Frankie 他说接下来几月会往返飞行，那尝试 earn my keep running live frost， 然后这边 earn my keep 是自食其力，然后 running live frost 字面意思是跳跃青蛙，其实它这是一个俚语，表示轮流飞，然后专门为弱小还有那些疲惫人士服务，然后我们都这么过来的。然后就是起飞的时候是80的 knot， 然后还有这个旋转的单词，再加上 gear 档位跨档的意思。